Hello, let's look how to form a Pascal's triangle using Python. First of all, we have to import factorial from math. I'm importing that, and let's say for I in the range, for I in range 20, and let's say another variable j, and for j in the range 20 minus I plus 1. This has to be the range. In order to get the spacing between numbers, for in the range j we are printing like this, print and sorry, yeah, then again for j in the range, uh, I plus 1, we are printing again. Have to print that. That is the definition of Pascal's coefficients. Yeah, that's just the definition of, I think, NC and NCN or NCP, like that. Yeah, we are typing print factorial I divided by factorial of j in j multiplied by factorial of I minus j. Yeah, just the definition. Yeah, putting this definition in the square bracket, just that. Yeah, that's it. That's how simple code looks like. Yeah, and don't forget to type end is equal to the same which we written in the previous case. So yeah, this is how the code looks like, and we have to print. Yeah, I had to just type the enter. Yeah, I made a mistake somewhere. Yeah, the for j in the, not the is not the command. Yeah, this is how it looks like, and by changing the spacing between the two quotation marks, we can change the spacing between the lines just like this. And now let's look at some, let's say for I in the range 10, oh sorry, I in the range, yeah, 10. Yeah, this how look like. Yeah, we get the perfect shape of a Pascal's triangle. That's it.